Now the session has started, and next step is to add products. Like we need to go to the cart. So either we can press Control M or just click on Go to Cart. Once this is done, we can add products by scanning or even by searching. So initially, I'll show you how to add products by scanning. So when I am scanning over here, the products get added. Yes. So added all the products. Next, if you want to edit the quantity of the products, that is gingerly oil, I want to make it as eight quantity. So it's not possible to add the product or scan the product eight times. So what we need to do is click on the down arrow, select the product. So once the product is selected, enter the quantity eight and click on enter. Now the eight quantity will be added. And next, if I want to remove a product, for example, let's take the Yardley London. Same way, click on the down arrow, select the product, and make it as zero quantity. Click on enter. The product will be deleted. So we can also add products by searching them. To do that, we need to click on F3. So you can see the search bar. We can enter the name of the product and click on add. So by using the tab or arrow keys, we can select the batch and click on enter. So that product will be added over here. Also, by clicking on F3, we can search the barcode too. So 890, yes. So yes. So once this product is selected, can you see the product on top? So once this is selected, you can see all the products that we have added by scanning, by searching, or by entering the name. So next step is to add a weighing scale product. So for that, I am clicking on F3, searching the product by its name initially. Yes. By clicking on tab, you can highlight it and you can select. So you can give the quantity. For example, if you want 1 kg, then since it is in grams, give 1000 grams and click on enter. Now you can see the weighing scale product. It is added over here by name. Next, we can add by barcode. So yes, can you see the lemon? Once it is done, click on tab, highlight it, click on enter, add the quantity, enter. Now the lemon is also added. So weighing scale products will be indicated with this symbol. So the next step is to do the payment. So click on F1 as it's shown over here. So once we click on the F1, we are selecting the payment mode as cash. We can enter the amount that is being paid by the customer. Let's say it is 5,000 rupees. The change will be displayed over here. Now next click on F2 to initiate the payment process. Now we need to connect to the printer. The bill will be printed. Click on continue and the order is placed.